Hi, my name is Vivan Goyal. Today I am going to show you how to make a DIY shuffleboard. It's really easy. I made it easily. So here are the materials. Some colored chips, a pencil and eraser, a ruler, a black marker, and some colors of your choice that you would want. You have to get a black crayon, just to tell you. So let's start on the making. So I used a ruler to make these like zones, and then I marked the length of them with a pencil. You can do it on any length you want, and I'll just not tell you what lengths I did it because I need to go quick on this. So I put these sections, even though they're not points, because it can tell you where you have to throw it. So then there will not even be fouls. So you can do the drawing. So I think you should pause this video, look at this example, and then do your drawing. Ready? Then if you're ready, then play the video. So now that was it. Let's play now. I just got 2 colors, and I got like 4 colors so that in case you can do it for teams. So I am going to do it in team mode, except I'm going to do the sliding. So here are the teams. I would ratherly choose blue and yellow as a team and red and green as a team. Let's see, how about this team go first? Blue and yellow. So blue and yellow have to shoot from the opposing zone. Like let's say, so they would like throw from here. Red and green team would be right here. Let's see what they'll get. So let me get these colors. Blue got a 0. Out of bounds is 0. Yellow also played a 0. Blue played a 0. Yellow played a 0. Blue played a 50. And yellow played a 0. Blue and yellow team score is 50. But I think red and green can beat that. Let's see if they can really beat it. Green scored a 0 for their team. Red scored a 0 for their team. Green scored a nothing for their team. Red scored a 50 for their team. So green and red, like these last counters, have to get something to win. Green gets nothing, a 0, and red gets 50. Red and green's team score is 100. Looks like red and green team score is the winner. Okay, bye.